I've been exploring the Magnificent Magnets kit and found 2 bar magnets. Put one magnet on the table. What do you predict? Make a good guess. Will happen when you bring the other magnet close to it. Without touching the magnet on the table, I can push it around the table with the other magnet. The magnets are not sticking to each other. They are pushing away from each other or repelling. Explore and see how you can make the magnets pull towards each other and stick. Turn the magnet that's on the table to its other side. Try bringing the other magnet close to it. Without touching the magnet on the table, the other magnet will pull it so they stick together. They are now attracted to each other. We did not get new magnets. Why do you think they are now attracted to each other? It's because of the magnet's poles. Think about toy trains. We have a train table at Muse Knoxville. I like to try to make the longest train I can. Toy trains connect by the magnets on their front and back. I want this car to stick to my engine, but it's not sticking. Can you tell me why? What can I do to make the train connect? If you have a toy train at home, try this for yourself. All magnets have 2 poles. Can you guess their names? Think about the poles on our Earth. What are they called? Yes, the North Pole and the South Pole. Magnets also have a North Pole and a South Pole. If you put the poles of 2 magnets together, they will either push apart or pull together. Take the floating rings magnet. Explore and see if you can make all of the magnets pulled together and be attracted to each other. Next, try to make all of the magnets push apart so they repel each other or float. Predict what you will need to do and then try it. Poles that are the same, like north and north or south and south, will repel each other. Poles that are different, like north and south, will attract each other. Take the 2 magnets that have the N and an S on them. N stands for the North Pole and S for the South Pole. Explore and see how the poles attract and repel each other. We can discover which pole is on each side of our bar magnet by using one of the magnets that has an N and an S on it. Try bringing the side with the N for north on it to the top of the bar magnet. Do they pull together or push apart? Remember, if they pull together, they are opposite poles. But if they push apart, they are the same pole. Flip the bar magnet over and try bringing the north N side to the new side of the magnet. Which color is which pole on the bar magnet? In the next segment, we will explore the strength of magnetism with building challenges. Continue on to the next video when you are ready.